Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon live trading session. Uh, so get your account ready. And as I promised earlier, I'm going to be starting this session with introduction to the BtcDana app. Okay, so it will be it's going to be just a brief explanation of how you can, how to interpret signals, so that whenever you see a signal, you know what to do with it. All right. So my emulator is loading up. My emulator is loading up. So once it's ready, I'm going to show you guys how a signal looks like and how you can interpret a signal. Okay, how to know if you are supposed to buy or sell, and when you get the buy or the sell, how to input everything in the app and to place your trade. So I'm going to be showing everybody here how to do that. And I'm doing this for you that wants to fund your account on this live session. Okay, so if you fund up to $10, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund up to $15, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200, then you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month. And then you also have the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. And then on that session, I can teach you how, to become a forex trader yourself, how to get all these entries. All right. Let me go back and check on my app. Okay. So before then, let me just quickly share. Let me just quickly share a trade here. Let me show you guys how a signal looks like. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna take a signal now. Uh, Let me delete this. There's no need for that. So all we need here is just the buy, the sell. So this is how a signal looks like. This is basically how a signal looks like. Every signal comes with its own instructions. All right. So he said that you are buying or selling, and that is you are definitely going to be doing one of the two. You are either buying or you are selling. And this signal right now, you see, the signal is GBP USD. Guys, this thing is very easy. All you are expected to do here is go to the app. So once you're in the app, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Once you're in the app, go to the market section, then search for GBP USD. Okay, that is if you can't find it. If you don't know how to find it, just go to the app. So if you go to the market section, on the top right corner of the app, you see a search area. So if you click on the search, it's going to open up a search bar for you. And as I said, I'll be showing you how to do that in the app. So once you click on the search, then you can enter GBP USD. Okay, then it's going to bring out the GBP USD for you. Click on it, then down below you see buy and sell. Then the signal here is telling you to sell. Okay, so GBP USD sell now. Then we have the TP1 and we have the TP2. Then we have the stop loss. Okay, now this intraday trade is also very important. Okay, you need to pay attention to it. Now, we have three type of trades. Okay, we have intraday trade, we have the scalping trade, and we have the swing trade. Now, an intraday trade is a trade that is expected to run for to run within a day. Okay, so if I give you guys signal right now, this is 207. Yes, if I give out a signal right now, if the signal lasts till tomorrow morning, okay, let's say the signal lasts till tomorrow 1 p.m. or even 2 p.m., it's still within the range of 24 hours. Okay, but if after 207 we are still in the trade is still running, it is not an intraday trade anymore. Okay, it is now a swing trade because it has gone way past 24 hours. All right, so that is just the difference. Now a swing trade is expected to run for days, okay, for more than 24 hours. So if it is more than 24 hours, it is more than a day. All right. So a swing trade is expected to run for days, for weeks, even a month is a swing trade. Okay. If you hold a trade for weeks, you are swing trading. If you hold a trade for months, you are swing trading. If you hold a trade within a day, you are intraday trading. Okay. And if you hold a trade within few minutes, let's say maybe 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, up to an hour, then you are scalping. All right. The major difference why you need to pay attention to it is because it is very important to pay attention to it because of the time. Okay, the time. So what I mean by the time is, let's say you got a signal, an intraday signal, this signal right now. So let's say it was posted to the group, maybe then maybe when you came to the group, it was 5 minutes after it was posted, you saw the trade. Yes, if the trade is an intraday signal, it is still valid. How is it valid? Most intraday analysis comes from 5 minute time frame. Sorry, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so each candle is going to take 15 minutes to finish printing. All right. So if you saw the signal 5 minutes after, it is still a valid signal. If you saw the signal 10 minutes after it was dropped, it's still a valid signal. Okay, but when it is 15 minutes, then it is not valid for your entry anymore. Okay, because by then the current candle that is printing when the signal was given out has finished printing. All right. Now, if the trade is a scalping trade, if you saw a scalping trade, say let's say maybe after 5 minutes it was dropped, please don't ever open the trade again. Don't even bother attempting the trade. Okay, because it's a scalping trade. So scalping trade can be maybe for like 5 minutes, for 15 minutes. You don't even know when, where, what time frame the trade was analyzed on. So if you saw a signal that is a scalping trade and you didn't get it immediately, it was dropped. Just forget about it and look for another setup. Okay, wait for another signal. All right. Then if it's an intraday trade, I've explained it. I've never given out an intraday signal, and I don't think anybody has ever given you guys an intraday signal. All right, I don't give my premium members a swinging signal. I only provide either intraday signal or a scalping signal. All right, so that is why you need to pay attention to this, if it's an intraday scalping or a swing. Then the signal here is very easy. The signal is telling you, yeah, go to GBP USD. So what are you supposed to do when you go into GBP USD? You are to sell. Now, guys, please pay attention to this also. We have TP1, we have TP2, and then we have SL. Now, TP means take profit. SL means stop loss. This TP1 and TP2, you can't use both TP on a trade. It's not possible. You can only use one. Okay, so it's an option. Okay, it's an option. If you have, the only time you can use both of them is if you have two positions running. Okay, so let's say you got this signal GBP USD, then maybe let's say maybe you have up to $30 in your account and you want to open two positions. Now you open sell two times. So that two times you can the first the first one you open, you can set first TP. You use the first TP on it. Then the second one you can use the second TP on it. Okay, but for the both of them, you still use the same stop loss. So that is how you can. That is the only way you can use two TPs. Okay. The same thing if you have three TPs. You need three trades for three TPs. But I always advise you if you have just one position, please use TP1. TP1 is way much faster. It will get to your entry to your take profit level immediately. Okay, that will give you faster profit. So the TP2 is a second choice. Okay, it's a second choice. If you still want to hold the trade for long, okay, maybe you still want to get more profit, then you can use the TP2. All right. So let's go into the app now. Let me just open. Okay, my app is up. So guys, you have to bear with me. It's a bit sluggish. It's not fast, and you might not be able to. You may, the screen is not so wide, so you might not be able to see it boldly. So guys, please, you just have to bear with me. This is very important. It's very important we do this here, so everybody knows, how to open position and how to interpret a signal correctly. Okay, and I've already explained everything that you need to know here. Everything you need to know, I've already explained them. Okay. All right. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. Come on. All right. So I've successfully logged in. Okay, let me share my screen now. Let me share my screen. Okay, so I hope everybody can see my screen. As I've said earlier, so sorry you know if it's maybe too small, but I just want to make sure that you guys get everything that I'm trying to explain here. So once you get a signal, it is very easy. All you need to do, this is the home page. Okay, so all you need to do here is just come to market. You see here we have home, and the next option is markets. All right, so just click on markets. Okay, so right now we are on the market. If the pair you are looking for or the instrument you want to trade is not here, okay, so we have GBP USD here, but let's assume maybe GBP USD is not here. Okay, then you can just come to this search area. You see this is search bar. All right, just click on it, and it's going to give you area where you can enter whatever it is that you want to enter. So now let's search for GBP USD. So GBP USD. See, I just typed that in and it brought out GBP USD. All I have to do here is just click on the GBP USD. Just clicked on it, and now it's going to take me to the GBP USD chart. Okay. So now that I'm on the GBP USD chart, you see, okay, I'm going to change this from, I'm going to put this on demo. Uh, this is just a testing up, right? So now, the signal I showed you guys earlier is a sell signal. Okay. So now that we are on the GBP USD chart, what do you see here? You see here we have buy, here we have sell. Yeah. So um, since the signal is a sell, I'm going to click on the sell. So when I click on sell, it brought out this option where I can enter volume. So this volume is also known as lot size. Okay, lot sizes. Um, you know, So whenever you hear anybody or any other forex trader saying I'm increasing lot size or I'm decreasing lot size, what they mean is they are decreasing volume or increasing volume. Okay, and this volume um, is, let's say, the amount you want to how much do you want to buy? Yeah, when you want to buy something and they're asking you, okay, how much do you want to buy? Is it two? Should I bring two or should I bring three? So that is what volume is. Okay, and the lowest volume you can buy is 0.01. So the more you increase, the more it's going to take from your account. So that is why I always advise newbies, if you have an account that is less than $30, please don't ever make the mistake of increasing your volume. If you have a low balance less than $30, always use 0.01. Even with 0.01, you still make money. Okay, imagine in a day, maybe you took first trade, you make $1 or two. You took the second trade, you make $1 or two. You took the third trade, you make $1 or two. Guys, when you accumulate everything together, before the end of the day, trust me, you still make up to $4 5. Yeah. So once you accumulate the money and you get to some reasonable amount of money, you can now start to increase your lot size and make more money. Okay, that is how to be a businessman when it comes to forex trading. Forex trading is a business. Okay, it's a business, and if you are not wise, you are going to lose. Okay, you need to be wise. You need to um, be able to manage your risk properly, so that you don't encounter, so that when you definitely encounter losses. Okay, but when you encounter any loss, it's not going to take too much from your account. It will just take a little amount from your account, an amount that when you take the next trade and you make money, you are going to make everything back. Okay, so now we've clicked and it took us here. Now look at this, we have SL, we have TP. Okay, so what this SL and TP means now, you see, I've already explained, and you see this button in front of the SL and the TP. Just click on it. It's going to bring out more option for you where you can enter your stop loss and your take profit. You see it expanded the stop loss and the take profit. So now I can enter my stop loss. Okay, so all I need to do here is just go back to where I wrote my stop loss the other time, copy it and paste it here. Okay, do the same for take profit. All right, just go back. So let me go back and copy my take profit. Let me go back and copy my take profit. Yeah. So I'm going to copy my take profit one. Why? Because I'm opening just a position. I don't have two positions. I have just only one. Okay. So I'm going to paste my take profit. I'm going to paste it now. All right. Okay. So now I have my stop loss. I have my take profit set. Okay. So I want to place my order now. I click on the cell. You see, it says order successful. So guys, this is how to place order in the BTC Dana trading app. Okay. We did for a sell signal, it is just opposite for a buy signal. Okay, the same signal, but if you are buying, you see that place where we clicked on sell, you just click on buy. I don't think we need to make, um, another example using the buy. Yeah, we are not kindergarten kids here, so I hope everybody understands my little explanation. All right. So now you see it says order successful. I can check my order if I click check order. So now that I click on the check order, it's going to take me to my order. See, so my order is running. All right, my order is running. And if I want to close this, I can just click on this button right here. So, so once I click on it, you see it says confirm closing. Yes, then I can click on confirm. Then it's going to close it. You see. So if I want to close another one, come on. Okay. So I want to close this one also. What I need to do is just click on it and confirm closing, confirm. So I close both trades. Okay, guys. So that is it for um, signal. Now let's continue with our class. Let's continue. So now when I say buy or sell, you know what to do. So when I tell you to buy or sell now, you know exactly what to do. All right. So let's go to the lower time frame. During our morning session, we took two trades, and one ran into stop loss, and the other one gave us our profit. So guys, when I say buy now, you know what to do. You know what to do. So when I say sell, I'm going to be calling out. Once I get a signal, I'm going to call out the name of the pair we are going to be trading. All you have to do is just go to your app, search. Um, if it's the same pair I'm trading, if I say buy, buy. If I say sell, sell. That's just it. All right. Okay. So once this closes below the moving average, then we take our sell. If that goes above, then it's an invalid entry. We'll look for another entry opportunity, right? So the reason why I'm not out of this trade right now, and why I'm still looking at this, is because we have this area. Okay, so we have many areas here where the market, can actually reverse from. So once this goes below and close above, below our moving average, then we take a sell trade. All right. So guys, prepare your account, get your account ready, stay on AUDCAD. So if this goes above, as I've said earlier, I'm gonna leave the trade. If this closes below, then we take our entry. And okay, so if it goes above, we also have this area. So this is the last zone. So if it goes above this zone, then there's no hope. If it goes above that zone, then there's no hope for any entry here. Okay. You see, I told you guys the market is going to push down. So, as a professional, you should be able to know what to look at, the things you need to look at um, to get your perfect entries. Okay, so we are getting across. All we need to now is wait for the market to go back there to make a retest. Then we sell immediately. You see how the market is respecting that? Okay, guys, go to AUDC Let's sell now. Okay, so I just sold. This is the 1 minute time frame, so our stop loss is very minimal. So we are currently on this trade. Okay, guys, let's close. Let's close this trade. Okay, let's close. Let's close the trade because the market didn't. You see, it went above this area. It didn't close below the moving average. So I want a trade that is going to close below the moving average and not above the moving average. Okay, though the market didn't violate our rule, um, but I don't see any reason why the market would, move up again. That is why I wanted us to close and wait for another setup. So let's look for another one. Let's look for another one. Okay, so let's go to. So I took this trade last night, and the market is still playing out well. You see. So guys, if you know how to do this, trust me, you always make money. Okay. So everything about the forex market is not magic. It is what you know. You trade what you see. Okay. So if you see a buy, you buy. If you see a sell, you sell. It's simple as ABC. Simple as ABC. I took the trade from here. Immediately this market come below here. No, okay. I took it from here. I took it from here actually. I took it from here, and the market is currently here. So imagine how much I made from here to this area. Let me even see how much that is. So this is about 14 pips right now. Guys, 14 pips, 15 pips. Okay. 15 pips, no be small money. So that is it. Now let's continue with our analysis. Let's look for more setup. Let's go to 1 minute. Bye. The spread here is too wide. Let's look for another one. I don't know why this is happening this afternoon. Okay, this is better. This is better, guys. Let's trade this. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay. All right. So we obviously can take this is the 15-minute time frame, and it's gonna take a lot of time to get to our entry level. So let's look for one we can, easily take advantage of. So the first trade we took, we had to close. Had to close. Okay, so this is playing out already. Fortunately, we didn't catch the move earlier. We didn't catch this move earlier. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Let's see if we can still. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have all this area. The market hasn't retested. So let's give this a little bit time. Let's see if the market is going to come here to retest that. Okay. If the market do come back to make the retest, then we take our entry from here. Okay. So that's the 1 minute. Okay, so we are not just gonna, you know, stay idle here, but I'm pretty sure this market will come back here. But I don't want us to stay and not do anything. If the market is not going to give us our entry immediately, I think we should look for other setups while we wait for this. So this is CATCHF. Okay, the market is approaching our zone. Okay, I think we should stay. So I just want this to come to this area, then we sell to the downside. Okay, I think we should look for other analysis. Come back to this later. So the market is just busy ranging around that area. Let's check on CAD JPY. This is Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, let's go to the lower, higher time frame. Okay, so this is a good zone. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame. So we saw how the market came back to retest this area. Now the market is going to continue to trade to the upside. Right now, I think this is coming. Yeah. Okay. 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 So let's see what happens when this get here. So I might possibly give out, uh, an intraday trade like yesterday we did. Remember the trade I gave away today played out nicely. So I think we're going to do the same here. So let's see how that candle is going to react when it gets there. This is Euro CHF. So the entries we took in the morning, we made profits from one, lost to the other one. So just a few seconds to the end of this candle. So let's see how that is going to play out. If we get a good rejection there, we are going to place our trade. Okay, just tapped in. So let's see. See, the candle just closed, and it didn't close We didn't close with a week, just a full body deep inside. So this is not a good confirmation for us to, place our entry position. So guys, don't worry. Tomorrow is another day, and hopefully, we are able to get a better entry. Okay. Hopefully, we are able to catch better entry points and make better profits. All right. So this will be all for today. Join me again tomorrow during our morning session by 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then our afternoon session 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. All right. So guys, if you haven't found your account, go and fund your account. Come and join the premium group. Okay. So even though we are not able to get, much signals here, signals will always be provided in the premium group. So come and join us. Come and make money. Okay. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Bye for now.